Hi, in this video we are going to see about washing machines. Outline. From the first washing tool, a broom with 4 fingers at the bottom to move the clothes around the bucket, to the modern fully automated ones, washing machines have come a long way. Technological advancements have brought about metamorphic changes in washing machines. From manual washing machines requiring hot water soaked before dirty clothes got chunked in machine to semi-automatic with spin dry facilities to fully automatics, and now recently introduced fuzzy logic, the concept of machine wash has totally changed. Multinational companies dealing in electronics have launched new and modern techniques in washing machines. In today's stage life, a washing machine has become a household necessity. Washing machines are gradually emerging as an omnipresent hobby in Indian homes. Inputs and outputs in an electronic washing machine. The block diagram is a good starting point for the generation of specification since it shows very clearly the structure of the complete system. The block diagram makes no assumptions of the form of the controller. It could be implemented using an electromechanical timer or a microcomputer. At any time in the washing cycle, the program determines at what speed the drum should rotate from a knowledge of the record speed and the actual speed as obtained above. The controller can determine whether or to increase or decrease the power dissipated in the motor. The motor power is determined by the timing of the track firing pulse. If the track is fired at the beginning of each half of main cycle, it will remain on for the remainder of the half cycle and the motor will operate at full power. The longer the process waits before firing the track, the less will be the motor power. The processor thus varies the delay time with respect to the zero crossing point of the mains by an appropriate amount to increase or decrease the power in the motor as determined by the difference between the actual and record speeds. This method of controlling the motor speed is very processor intensive. Displacement sensors using counting is shown in this figure. Washing machine hardware. A system is an assembly of components unit by some form of regulator interaction to form an organized whole. We will examine a microcomputer system using a washing machine control as an example. Temperature sensor which sensing the washing water temperature. Safety cutout of switch, keyboard for program selection. Water level gauge, motor for washing drum, power switches for motor, heater, etc. Heater for washing water, water inlet valve, water suction pump, control lamps and indicators. This is shown this washing machine hardware. Washing cycle. The push button keyboard enables the desired program to be selected. The microcomputer checks firstly that the safety cutout is on position. The water is then admitted and the water level is constantly monitored. When the required quantity of water has been provided, the valve closes. The water temperature is measured and the heater is switched until the water reaches the required temperature. In the meantime, the washing powder is admitted from a container and the hardness of water is noted. At the same time, the drum motor is switched on so that the dirty washing is evenly moved through the water. After the required time has elapsed, according to the selected program, the motor is switched to a high speed spinning and the suction pump is switched on to remove the washing water and the rinse water to waste. At the end of the washing cycle, the machine switches off and provides a signal to indicate this. Developing the system for washing machine control is shown in this flow chart. The problem definition is based on the requirements of the specification. It is also necessary for the redesign of the existing unit. It is a means of determining what a system performance is capable of, what is required from it. There are two alternative approaches for hardware development. One on hand, a universal system may be considered which has not been designed to cope with any one specific problem. On the other hand, a specially designed system may be decided upon in which the components used are specially selected for their suitability to deal with the problem under consideration. For software development, a detailed program sequence plan must first be established. This is then written in appropriate code and fed into a computer or into a development system. The program is then translated into the language required by the machine and a simulation of the operation sequence is carried out. Data flow chart for a washing machine control is shown in this figure. Types of washing machines. Semi-automatic washing machine. The control are not fully automatic and manual intervention is required. In fully automatic machines, no manual intervention is required during the washing process. For automatic machines, programs have to be selected and set by the user prior to the start of washing cycle. Sensors sense the wash load and decided the program ideal for washing the clothes, water level, timing to wash, number of rinses and spins, type of fabric, etc. Fuzzy logic washing machines. Fuzzy logic washing machines are gaining popularity. These machines offer the advantages of performance, productivity, simplicity, and less cost. Sensors continuously monitor varying conditions inside the machine and accordingly adjust operation for the best wash results. As there is no standard for fuzzy logic unit, different washing machines perform in different manners. This flowchart shows the washing machine control. High-end machines have a stud-free system including a pressure sensor to detect extra suds in washing if you have used a large amount of detergent. The washing machine drains water together with the detergent and then refills with minimum water to restart. These machines cost more than regular models. Fuzzy logic checks for the extent of dirt and grease, the amount of soap and water to add, direction of spin and so on. Neuro-fuzzy logic incorporates optical sensors to sense the dirt in water and fabric sensors to detect the type of fabric and accordingly adjust washing cycle. This shows the semi-automatic washing machine and this shows the front load washing machine. Thank you.